Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another bloomy type thing, and I already got my base down, so let's put some colors on here. I'm just using some leftover paints. I don't like wasting them, so let's just use them. I'm going to put all the colors and brands of the paints in the description box, so you can find it there. So I want to try and blow this out with a straw. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but let's just see. I've got a wider one, a smaller one and a wider one. So let's try. Just give it a little spin. Okay. And let's spin it the other way around. Okay, maybe a little bit harder. It's getting there. Let's see if we can tilt it just. So it's on a little canvas board. That's why I don't want, or actually on a cake board. So that's why I don't want too much paint left on it. So I'm just gonna spin it one more time. And let's see if that's going to be enough to remove the rest of the excess paint. I think I'm going to leave it. I like the white sides. I'm going to push off a little bit of this paint. Now let's see how this one dries. I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, that I took off enough paint so it won't crack. Thank you for watching, and I'll show you the dry results. Bye everyone!